Hi friends! Me and my friends are playing hide-seek. You need to count till 50. Oh, wait, do you know how to count till 50? Don't worry, I will teach you from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now John will teach you from 11 to 20.
Hi friends, let's count from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now Daisy will teach you from 21 to 30.
Hi friends, let's count from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now Samuel will teach you from 31 to 40.
Hi friends, let's count from 31 to 40, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now Greta will teach you from 41 to 50.
Hi friends, let's count from 41 to 50. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You guys did it! Now come, let's play!